Hi guys, there are multiple metrics that can be used to evaluate content, the quality of content that lives on a website, but one of the most useful is the compressibility factor or the compression ratio, and it tells us the degree to which a page on a site can be compressed without losing its fundamental identity. The threshold usually for a spam evaluation is 4.0. That means if a page ends up with a compression ratio that is or above 4.0, it is most likely a spammy page, and in most cases such pages are prone to keyword ranking fluctuations, and they do not really add much in terms of traffic or visibility to the website. In fact, such pages even predispose the websites that they live on to the risk of an algorithmic penalty, usually an algorithmic penalty that will affect a section of the site, not the whole site. So I built a tool to make it a lot easy for both myself and content marketing managers, SEO specialists, to also be able to derive insights about the compression ratio performance of all of the pages on their website. So how you do it is that you go to your website and you find the sitemap very quickly. And then you find a sitemap extraction tool, and you take your sitemap URL and embed it in a useful sitemap extraction tool. This extractor by SEO is one of the best out there. So you paste the URL to your XML sitemap and click on load sitemap. It's going to extract all of the URLs in your sitemap and paste them in this tab. You copy the extracted URLs and go back and you just paste the URLs here. Alternatively, if your URLs are in an Excel file, you also have an option to upload that Excel file. But in this case, let's move with the simpler option. We paste and press submit. It's going to process the URLs and give you a table and a bar chart. So the bar chart will help you to visualize the compression ratio performance of all of the websites, all of the URLs in your sitemap. And as you can see, we have a compression ratios table. It shows all of the URLs evaluated and their compression ratio metric. And then we are able to visualize it in a bar chart here. This dotted line represents the spam threshold. It shows us that no URL in the sitemap of this website was at or above the spam threshold, so we are safe. But for many websites, particularly e-commerce sites, you have a number of URLs, especially product pages, collection pages, with compression ratios that cross this threshold. So when you are conducting a content reoptimization effort or initiative, you are going to have to prioritize those URLs that are closest to the spam threshold. And that is how you progressively improve the content quality on a website. So I hope you find it useful. And if you run into any difficulties or complications, there is a community I've linked here that you can join. And in that community, I also share tips and tricks and scripts and techniques for achieving content and marketing automation for anyone in any function whatsoever, whether it is SEO, PPC, CRO, product marketing, content, or email. So join and let us learn together.